Today I will build 12 volt lithium ion battery pack using the DIY box kit, which is come with the nickel strip with the 3S40M BMS and box with the holders. So that holders are good because they are designed, if you don't have the insulator ring for your cells, so it's okay because these holders are like design insulator, the space is covered. So you can make it 12 volt battery pack using 3 cell in series and 7 in parallel, total 21 cells. But if you go for 24 volt using the lithium ion cells, so 7 cells in series, 3 in parallel, I guess you can make 6 amp hour in 24 volt battery, or 3S you can I think go for 14 amp hour if the maximum capacity of each cell is 2 ampere available. So I think that boxes are okay, it's good and easy to build. So I will today make it the small packs. I use the new cells, this one, so this will be 3S 4P and it's perfect fit inside like that. So it is good. Perfect. And I use the cell in the middle of the battery so the weight will be equivalently distributed. The battery will be not heavy from back or front if the cells are in the middle. So let's build the pack. I will not cut the extra empty holder space because I'm just making the small pack, and I will keep it as a original so the battery during the shake, so it will intact inside in the pack, no problem. So this is our DIY battery box kit, and let's build the pack. Battery is completed and I use the zip tie because the glue is there. When the sealing is completely dry, that is the time we can use it. Now I check the voltage. Need to charge the battery, but it is already good. Now I will charge the battery, and here is charging is begin. Battery is fully charged. Disconnect the charger.